So the focus of this lesson is setting a date. And so setting, if you want to set a day or setting up a date, this means to organize a date. So you can organize a date, arrange a date, or you can also fix a date. So can you remember the order of giving a date in English? It's the day, the date, and of course, finally, the month. So as you can see from the slide, an example is Saturday, the 10th of June, or we can say Saturday, June the 10th. So there's two ways that we can say this. There are also two different kinds of numbers. So remember, ordinal numbers are for giving order. So that's first, second, third, fourth, and what's this one again? Yeah, fifth. So be careful with the pronunciation. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. And then we have cardinal numbers. And of course, these are for telling the time. So for this lesson, we want to look at cardinal, not cardinal numbers. We want to look at ordinal numbers for giving dates. So let's have a little look at some useful expressions. So I'm also going to review these with you. And we looked at these for arranging a meeting. So that was in an earlier unit. So we have three different types of expressions here. One is for suggesting a date. The second is refusing a date. And finally, stating preferences. And there's a second way we can say this. I would prefer. And of course, if you want to speak naturally, we have a contraction. I would becomes I'd. I'd prefer. I'd prefer Wednesday. So one more time, Tuesday the 20th is good for me. I'd prefer Wednesday. So now we're going to watch a Skype conversation again between Kant and I. So if you remember from the last unit, Kant is the owner of a successful chain of restaurants for Myanmar food, and he visited a London-based marketing company. So now it's my turn. So I'm going to Myanmar on a business trip to visit Kant's company. And this is to finalize the contract. So I need to set up or organize some dates for the business trip. So I would like you to listen carefully for this. Hi Kant, how's things?
Hi Laura, business as usual. I'm pretty busy. And you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
So you are coming to Myanmar next month?
Yes, finally.
Great. We need to finalize some details of the contract, and it would be good for you to see what we do over here and try out some of our menu. You've never tried Myanmar food before, right?
Yes, that's right, but I'm really looking forward to it.
Okay, great. So let's set up a date for you to come over and we can arrange some meetings. How about the first week of September?
I'll just check my diary. I'm afraid I can't make the first week. However, Wednesday the 9th of September is good for me.
Right. Can we possibly bring it forward to Monday the 7th?
Okay, I'll have to cancel a few things in my diary, but that is possible.
Super. We can start our meetings on the Tuesday of that week and wrap things up around the 11th.
I'll book my flights then, flying in on the 7th, and I can return to the UK on the 13th.